Hey guys, thinking of deleting your Instagram account? If you are sure you want to say goodbye to all your posts, reels and messages, here's how you do it. First guys, I request all of you please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical videos. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then guys, tap on the right three bars at the top right corner and go into settings and privacy. Scroll down, go to account center. This is where Meta hides all the big options. Now tap personal details, then account ownership and control. You will see here deactivation or deletion. Tap on it, choose your Instagram account, tap delete account, then hit continue and follow the steps. At the end guys, you just need to enter your password for the confirmation and deleting your account. Once you add your password, your Instagram account permanently deleted. But remember that Instagram gives you 30 days to log back in if you change your mind. After that, everything's gone forever. I hope guys you found this video is very informative and helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye, best of luck.